Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Let me tell y'all something. And Atlanta has gotten real ghetto with these apartment prices. I'm apartment hunting right now, and bruh, at this point, I'm about to go build my own house the way these prices Atlanta. I don't know who the hell Atlanta think they are with these prices. Like, this shit it's ghetto. It's getting so ghetto because I'm looking at prices of apartment and I'm trying to figure out what the fuck they think they doing. Like, first of all, Atlanta don't even make that much. Even if you want to be honest, like, yes, Atlanta's full of scammers and, you know, entrepreneurs and whatever case may be, but the minimum wage in Atlanta is still $7 and some change. So who the hell they think about to be affording these prices for these apartments? Like, it's ridiculous. And the apartments they do got that's like really cheap is in the ghetto. And I don't want to stay in the ghetto. Honestly, I don't want to stay in the ghetto. And I don't like, but I don't want to be homeless at the same time. Like, you know, it's like you can't be picky, but at the same time, like, you know, can I not? Like, I'm not saying I make $7.25. I make a decent enough to even afford a very luxurious apartment, but you'll spend your whole check trying to survive out here in Atlanta. Like, it's ridiculous. And then I'm tired. Like, I'm venting right now, guys. I'm venting to you guys. But I'm so tired of when I'm looking at apartments on the website and they, like, the first 50 pictures are of the freaking clubhouse. I don't give a damn about what the clubhouse look like. I'm not gonna spend no time in there, especially if you offer me the chance to be paying my rent online. Like, if I gotta pay my rent online, you really think I'm gonna come here and see your face every first of the month to pay my rent? No, you probably won't ever see me because honestly, it's COVID. So, like, not a lot of the even amenities if that's even how you pronounce the words. I don't even know. I don't give a damn. A lot of the pools and the other places are not even open. Like, the apartment that I stay in right now, I've been in this apartment for almost 3 years, and the pool had never been open. I never stepped foot in that pool or the freaking gym. So, like, those things not even matter. One. Two is like, you know, you're paying for it, but you still don't even get to see it. So it's like, what's the point? And again, why do I gotta see 50 freaking pictures of the clubhouse? Y'all show the front door of the office. Then y'all show the office, the part where you're gonna sit down and sign your lease. Then you're gonna show the kitchen of the office, the bathroom of the office, the floor of the office, the chair of the office. Like, I don't give a damn. Just show me what the apartment look like. Please show me what the apartment look like. Then you get to the apartment. It's like, no lie, I'm not even kidding. I seen an apartment for 300 square footage and they wanted $1,200 for 300 square footage. And it was not a studio. It was not a studio. I'm like, 300 square footage? You gonna walk in and walk out at the same time. Like, I don't even understand. So I found an apartment that I think I like and I get to go look at it. And it's not in a ghetto, but it's not in the ghetto. So, like, I know exactly where exactly these apartments at, and I have been there before. I stayed there before a long time when I did stay with my cousin when I was younger. And let me just tell you, the prices of those apartments when I was younger, and then I also stayed in these apartments with her too. I stayed in these same apartments, just the ones that was over. And when we stayed here, it was $600. $700. Now it's $1,300. Yes, these very same apartments. I kid you not. I'm not lying. These same freaking apartments went up 2 times the amount. They didn't renovate it at all. They didn't add nothing new. They didn't, you didn't got no new appliances. Hell, you don't even get a microwave. There's no microwave, and you just get a refrigerator and a didishwasher and a stove, and that's it. Like a sink too, basically. But I'm just saying, like, they doubled the price and they didn't even give you anything fancy, is what I'm saying. Like, they still look like basic. So I'm just venting to you guys, but that The apartment market is trash. The housing market is trash. Like, if you're trying to buy a house in Atlanta right now, may whoever you pray to be with you, because the house market is trash. Like, at this point, I don't even know. I'm about to go buy a nice box. I got a box right there behind me. I'm about to go find a few more and make a whole house out of it, and just hope that it wherever I keep my box at, it doesn't rain. I might just put my box outside my mama's house, because she has a patio that, you know, is covered. So I might just live outside on her patio with my box, because that's like what I'm looking at right now. It's ridiculous with these prices. And like I said, I can afford them. I don't want to pay that much money for it. It's Atlanta, for God's sake. Like, we're not in New York and we're not in Cali. We're in Atlanta. Like, these motherfuckers don't bump their head. This is ridiculous. But like I said, I'm just venting to you guys. This is just another life update. Apartment hunting. Ooh. You know, part of adulting. So yeah. Let me know if you guys have had any luck on your apartment hunting. Like, let me know if you're moving to Atlanta, and like, if you do want to share your budget, what's your budget when it comes to looking for apartments? Like, what is your budget? I'm gonna let you know right now, you're not gonna find anything decent for anything under $1,000. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Maybe like 2 years ago, you probably could have, but right now, you ain't gonna find nothing decent for under $1,000. So wherever your budget is, add a couple more dollars to that. When I say dollars, add a couple more hundreds to that. Like, so let me know in the comment section what's your budget, if you do care to share that. If you are moving to Atlanta, let me know if you have looked at some apartments, and tell me what you think about this apartment market right now. Because I know they're ridiculous. You don't even got to tell me it's ridiculous. I know. I'm looking right now and it's ridiculous. So yeah, that, and wish me luck. Wish me luck on my apartment hunting myself, because like I said, the way it's looking, I'm going to be staying in the box. A very nice box, but a box. It's going to be very well decorated. I'm telling you, inside of that box going to be decked the fuck out. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm gaining a lot of new subscribers. I did want to say that. Let me put that in there. And I know I say a lot. So yeah, I gained a lot of I gained a lot of new subscribers lately, and so thank you guys so much for the support, guys. You know, I love you all. I read every single one of your comments. I know people say that, but I do, and I reply back to all your comments. Like, I reply back to it on my iPad. So yeah, that's it, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Wish me luck.